Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask whether or not the Nothing Phone 2A has wireless charging. In order to do so, here we are at us.nothing.tech and we're looking at the Nothing Phone 2. And after doing some research, I can confirm that no, the Nothing Phone 2 does not support wireless charging. It only charges using a wired connection. So that is essentially the answer to that. If you are looking for wireless charging, then unfortunately you are going to have to consider another option. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can make your next essay fast and easy with personalized My Stylus AI. My Stylus's AI-powered text editor helps you write, edit, and cite with confidence. Save hours on your next essay. Perfect for bloggers. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you'll get 10% off your subscription, and you'd be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.